This is the Module 2 video for STA 215P. So in this module, what we're going to do is we're going to look at some quantitative support for chapters 3 and 4 in STA 215. And so some of the stuff that you can expect this week is you're going to have another MyLab homework. Again, this homework is not necessarily over the chapter 3 and 4 material in 215, but rather some skills that you need before you can do that material. So we're going to review some stuff like negative numbers, linear equations, what the slope and the y-intercept lines are. And so these are really good. These ideas are going to help you a lot in the chapter 3 material for 215. We're also going to just look at graphing lines, scatter plots, that kind of stuff. So that's what you're going to do in the MyLab work. Also, next week is going to be your first exam. So I thought this would be a good idea, a good time rather, to talk about some test-taking strategies, how to prepare for the exam, how to combat test anxiety. So you're going to see a worksheet there that's to kind of help you prep for that exam. You're going to have a discussion board post. So the discussion board post this week I think is kind of fun. There's an online game that you're going to play that helps with the concept of what correlation is and how to look at a plot and kind of estimate the value of correlation. And so you're going to play that and then post to your discussion board. The other thing we're going to have this week, which is new, is what is called the Diagnostic Assessment. So what the Diagnostic Assessments are is they are quizzes to just kind of see where you are in the pre-material for the course. You don't have to study for these. You can go in completely cold. And how the grading for them works is if you get a 75% or above on the quiz, you get full credit, okay? So as long as you get a 75 or above, you get full credit. If you don't get a 75, what that tells us is there's some pre-material for the course that you're not quite comfortable with yet, and that's fine, but what we're going to have you do is you're going to meet with what's called a CEC. And so the CEC is a person that's going to go over that diagnostic quiz with you and kind of help you review some of those concepts that, it's probably been a while since you've seen, so that, you've got those concepts down, and that'll again help you with the 215 material. And so just again, how these diagnostic assessments work, you get a 75 or above, full credit. If you get below a 75, then you have to meet with the CEC. And then as long as you complete that meeting with the CEC, you get full credit for the diagnostic assessment. And there's more information in this module about, how to take the diagnostic assessment, and then, depending on what your outcome of it is, how to set up the appointment with the CEC and everything. So, make sure you look in the module to actually find that information. And there's also a tab on the left that has some CEC information as well as the syllabus. So as always, if you have any questions, remember, use that discussion board. I'm here to help you, and I hope that you have a great week.